In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Fireflies AI with Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Zapier. Go to your web browser and type in zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up. Now, once you're logged in, the first step is to look for the Create button on the dashboard. This is located at the center of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start creating your integration, also known as a Zap. After that, you'll want to find the Zaps section. This will be visible in the left-hand menu, and when you click on it, you'll see all the Zaps that you've created so far. If you're new to Zapier, this section might be empty, but don't worry, we're going to fill it up together. Next, you'll see the option to set up the trigger for your Zap. This is like the starting point, the action that kicks everything off. Click on Trigger to continue. Now, it's time to connect to Fireflies AI. In the search bar for apps, type in fireflies.ai. Once it appears in the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on it. Fireflies AI helps you automatically transcribe meetings and takes notes, so integrating it with Zapier is a fantastic time saver. Once you've selected Fireflies.ai, the next step is to choose an event as your trigger. You'll see a button that says Choose an Event. Click there. From the options that show up, select New Meeting. This option will prompt your Zap to activate every time a new meeting is recorded in Fireflies AI. Now that you've set your trigger, let's move on to the action part of the Zap. Click on the Action button, which is just a few steps down. Here, you'll search for the app you want to connect with Fireflies AI, which, in this case, is Google Docs. Type Google Docs into the search bar and click on it when it appears. After selecting Google Docs, once again, you'll choose an event. This time, you will click on Choose an Event, and among the various actions available, select Create Documents from Template. By doing so, you are instructing Zapier to create a new document whenever a new meeting happens. Now it's time to connect your accounts. You will need to add both your Fireflies AI and Google Docs accounts. Click on the button that says Sign In and Continue. This will guide you through the process of linking your accounts securely. Once both accounts are linked, follow the prompts to finalize your setup. Make sure you carefully review the details to ensure everything is correct. And that's it. You've just set up an integration between Fireflies AI and Google Docs using Zapier. Now your meetings will automatically generate documents based on templates you've set. This is such a great way to streamline your workflow and save time. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks. Happy automating!